Meaning of imbibe.
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 Imbibe. The word imbibe means to drink or absorb something, typically a liquid, into one's body. This can be used both literally and figuratively, as one can imbibe knowledge or ideas in addition to physical substances. The act of imbibing can result in a variety of outcomes depending on the context, such as feeling refreshed and hydrated after drinking water, becoming intoxicated by consuming alcohol, or gaining new perspectives and insights through learning and reflection. Ultimately, imbibe is a versatile verb that signifies the intake of something into oneself.